60 seconds if any correct Pidginianese. Now you with the do and not be small holla where people don't they holla for internet since yesterday. As CAF they do the award inside Senegal yesterday. They released the CAF Player of the Year award. Still on relief CAF Best 11. They bring out all the list yesterday and people don't look that Best 11 say no. Say we cannot take this thing. Say they supposed come out some players for that list. Some people say some of those players who they put for that list say they know they play active football for their team. Say na bench now they sit down. Some people say don't bring up some kind name there. Williams through second, Wilfred Ndidi, Onana where they keep for Ajax and Cameroon. Some people don't bring all this kind name. Say these people suppose they CAF Best 11. So I want to know how you see them. You don't check out that list since morning. The list the internet. See the list. How you check out that list? You feel say these people where they this list as the best 11 players for Africa. Now them be the best players who will get for Africa. I be get players where supposedly they are where they know they are.